Do you ever pray and it doesn't get answered?
Yeah. But when does that not happen to me? I think that happens to all of us though.
Yeah, I guess it's hard sometimes because you want to trust in his plan, but also I really want my prayer to be answered.
Like, God, I want my thing. But you know what? Now I'm like, rather than thinking about the thing I'm waiting for, I think more about how I'm waiting. So actually asking God, when are you going to make this thing happen? And now I try to ask God instead, how can you prepare my heart for the thing that I'm asking for? And actually, if we're faithful with what God has given us while we're waiting, I believe that He'll use it for our good.
Tupper Park Station.